Hello and thanks for joining us for another Aimstor quick tutorial. On this tutorial, what we're going to show is how to provide a backup plus a version archive within the same policy. For that, what we'll do is we'll just click on a path over here. I'll grab a path through the drop-down menu. For this one, I'll select User File Share, and I'll add that path, close the window. Next, what I'll do is I'll further refine this path by listing documents and dragging that over into the classification workspace. So I'm pretty much done with what I wanted to do regarding my classification. Now I'll go over here to the operations section, and first off I'll just go ahead and grab a backup. We're going to bring this down to a 1 hour RPO, and we'll keep this for 6 months. We'll leave it there. Next, what I'm going to do is grab a version, and with version I'm going to keep these different versions for a total of 7 years because there might be some sensitive documents in there. And I'm also going to bring over track. So track is an operation that allows us to look at the file system and see what exactly happened through a log report. So I can track the creation, modifications, reads, deletes, etc. over a long period of time, and the track report will give me exactly what was changed, what was affected, who did it, when they did it, and where are the changes. We'll capture the changes within the repository, so if you wanted to restore a specific version before or after a particular change, you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, and we're going to call this backup archive. I'll save that now. We'll go over to data flow, and I will apply this to our entire group of file servers. I'll bring over our continuous data mover, drop it right on top, and I'll bring over our HQ main repository, drop it on top of the data mover. I'm going to also be bringing our version archives to one more place, which is off-site. That's going to be at our West Coast location. So I'll go back to here to File Server and click on the Backup Archive policy. Click here to Main, and I'm going to deposit both the backup snapshots as well as the versions over here. Out west, I'm just going to go ahead and keep the versions. And then I will save and activate this, and then the sync will begin, and from that point forward all changes will be flying over to both HQ main and the West repositories in real time, and thereby help my file servers avoid any further scans or heavy backup processes. Now, to understand the nature of the difference of backup and version, what we can do is come over here to restore and just go ahead and click search. Right now we're in the backup snapshot section, and if I click on show grouped and enable timeline, you can see how I can come over here and select a particular entire snapshot for restore, or maybe drill down and just get one particular file and then restore that. The other thing, and this is more the archive nature of Aimstor, we come over here and enter criteria such as extension, docx, and search. Now, if I have version families and timeline enabled, I could see all sorts of different versions that I might have over here. If I want to look at something a little bit different, I can say, okay, everything over here that begins with the word datasheet. Nothing comes up. But if I say starts with datasheet, then all of a sudden I have quite a few that happen to come up. So there's lots of different ways to fine-tune your search results and get better opportunities or selections to go ahead and come inside here click on something, and then proceed with restore. That's it for today. Thank you.